Statements in QBasic. In QBasic, instructions are given in the form of statements. We can use these statements to write a program to perform different tasks. Examples of some statement are print, let, input, end, etc. We will go through these statements in this section. Print command or statement. Print command is used to display output. You can print text, number and symbols. For example, print 7, print inverted commas, the world of QBasic, print inverted commas, the square of 7 is equal to inverted commas close, comma 49, print inverted commas, the sum of two numbers, inverted commas close, 15 plus 20. Following figure shows the output screen of print command. Print. Print statement without any text will print a blank line. Print. Print 1247. Print. Print 2142. Print with comma. In QBasic, comma is used between two print statements. A comma leaves a gap of one tab space between two outputs. Print 108, comma, inverted commas, Himgiri Enclave, comma, inverted commas, A2 block, comma, 110084. Print with semicolon. In QBasic, semicolon can also be used between two print statements, but it does not leave any space between outputs. Print, inverted commas, Moti, semicolon, inverted commas, Nagar, semicolon, inverted commas, Delhi. Let command or statement. A value expression can be assigned to a variable using let statement. Let var name is equal to expression. Let is optional, but in this class you must use this command when assigning a value to a variable. Variable is any valid variable name. Expression is a value or expression that you want to assign to the variable. CLS, let a is equal to 20, print a asterisk 20. For example, num is a numeric variable, whereas name $, is a string variable. CLS, let name $, is equal to Anand Books, print name $. Input command or statement. The purpose of the input command is to accept one or more values from the user through keyboard at run time. CLS, input, enter your name, inverted commas close, name $. Print hi, inverted commas, semicolon, how are you, inverted commas, semicolon, name, $, inverted commas, question mark. When a program is executed, the input command displays a question mark and waits for the user to type one or more values. After entering the values, program stores that value into the related variable. REM command or statement. Sometimes when programmers write long programs, they create notes or comments inside the program so that they can understand particular part of coding. So to create a note, they use a special keyword rem, REM. Rem stands for remark. Comments written after rem are not displayed during the execution of the program. Always leave a space after you write rem. Here is an example. Rem space, this program is created by Karthikeya. Rem space, this program calculates the average of given numbers.